As a cooperative academy, we base our learning on a number of values which instill good social and ethical practice that reflects in our continued enthusiasm and commitment. We continue to look for new ways of promoting this practice of sharing and collaborating, giving us more opportunities to learn. Technology is one of the tools that we use to inspire a creative approach to learning, and we want to share some of the ways that we do this with you. We're changing the fabric of our building and learning spaces to cope with learning in the third millennium. We don't believe that learning is restricted to the classroom and champion new ideas to be creative.
Collaboration is at the centre of how we have developed our learning resources. We recognise the importance of working in collaborative groups to share ideas and discuss how we approach learning to understand topics in more depth. My Big Campus is an online social networking site for schools. We can join groups on a platform that teachers have set up for their classes to access resources for revision and work. We also use the assignment section of this site so we can complete, upload and gain feedback from our teachers. In essence, this is an educational Facebook. The My Big Campus platform ties into our college filtering systems, which then means that our teachers can provide us with access to sites such as YouTube in a safe and controlled way. We have seen an increase in access to more websites and online material since the introduction of this filtering application. To increase anytime, anywhere access to Learning My Big Campus is also available as a mobile application for iPhone and Android devices.
Assessing situations and understanding how we can address a problem is a common theme in learning at Lipson. Our latest exploration of this concept has been undertaken through our Apps for Good project, which has seen groups of students working together to explore a problem and attempting to solve this using a mobile application. Groups have been constructed with a mix of age and gender, so that members have an opportunity to explore real-world working scenarios, which are not limited to specific ages or abilities. Each member of the group presents a unique range of skills and knowledge from a range of backgrounds and personal circumstances. An online development tool has enabled the team to work on a variety of elements whilst always maintaining a clear overview.
Ownership of work and determination to improve its quality increases when it becomes visible to a wider audience of peers, educators and professionals. Lipson recognises this and has developed projects to utilise tools such as YouTube to broadcast debate and review of works in order to gain valuable audience feedback. Significant gains such as author visits have resulted from this work, and students' achievement and enjoyment in learning and revising using such methods has increased. Simple tools such as Screencast-O-Matic are demonstrating to students that they're able to present their work in a varied style. Students that may have found a difficulty in a written explanation of their thoughts and ideas can now verbally explore these and combine them with an animation to demonstrate their understanding. GoAnimate has been used in such a way to construct and broadcast materials for prior learning in the flipped classroom and also as revision materials for consolidation.
Prezi is an online presentation tool that allows a more dynamic approach to deliver a topic. You're able to create a canvas of resources of all types, e.g. video, text, images, links, which are then joined by a pathway defined by the user. The path can easily be altered as the aim of the presentation changes and develops. Google Docs is a free web-based office suite that allows us to work simultaneously with other users. This ability lets multiple people access the same document at the same time. We use Google Docs in tutorial and various other lessons without access to ICT hardware. Our teachers also send us assignments and classwork to complete, where we can continue working with our cooperative groups remotely. In sharing a document, each member of a group has the opportunity to contribute and take ownership of a project. This ownership adds value to the entire learning process and has encouraged us to help each other cooperatively.
Working with all of these technologies has allowed us to take much greater ownership of our learning. We have begun to regularly access learning materials in written and video formats prior to arriving in a lesson. This ability to understand a little bit more about the subject beforehand means that we can have much deeper questions ready to challenge ideas. This flipping of the classroom is a really exciting concept that is growing in many subjects in our college.